Hey everyone, this is James Hucks from Hucks Law Firm, and I help workers fight for their rights against employers. If you've been watching the news recently, you probably heard about the passing of the Equality Act in the House of Representatives. Now, the Equality Act actually passed the House of Representatives in 2019, but it was reintroduced again this year. The 2019 version didn't get to make it to the Senate floor, but this 2021 version should make it to the Senate floor. Both bills are essentially the same in that they hope to provide and expand protections for people based on their sexual orientation and gender identity. There's a good chance that there's renewed energy on the Equality Act based on a ruling from last year from the Supreme Court that said that Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and sex as used in that act actually includes protections for people based on their sexual orientation and gender identity. So now that there's that Supreme Court backing, we might as well make it into law. The Equality Act would act as an amendment to Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 by changing the word sex within Title VII and replacing it with sex, including gender identity and sexual orientation. This is big news for workers' rights protections. We'll have to keep an eye on this and see what happens with the Senate. And if it makes it to President Biden's desk, I'm expecting it to be signed into law and the amendment to take effect. That's all I have for you all today on the Equality Act. I'm going to keep track of it. And if there are any new updates, please make sure to check back because I'll be providing those updates when I can. Make sure to follow and subscribe to my pages so that you can keep track of all the other employment updates that I give and learn what your rights are when it comes to work. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk with you again soon.